Vendor management is a really key part of any sort of hotel business. If you don't have great linkages to your suppliers and regular support services, so delivery of food. Imagine going to a hotel and there's unavailability of a breakfast when you've stayed overnight. It's not going to be great sort of customer relationship there. What has to happen in the background is that your relationship with your vendors and the ability to process all their sales invoices and the prediction of when your stock is going to be at a lower level that needs to be reordered. Those are where your differentiating is going to be as a hotel. There's a lot of service related items that need to be managed as well. The bed changes, the cleaning of the rooms, the just general maintenance of the hotel itself. Or are all of those things being considered from a cost perspective, and are they being managed correctly? Are you bringing that information in and tagging the time that's actually being spent on it? As a simple example, Sage Intact offers ability to log time in terms of their time and expense capture mobile app, as well as within the system. That can be used for the cleaning staff within the hotel to actually log the hours as they're doing it and clock themselves in and out. That then gives you visibility in real time of how much cost you're actually spending to clean your hotels, which if it's combined with the revenue information that's coming through in real time from your point of sales or from your hotel management system, you very clearly know what your revenue costs are at any period, at any point in time, in real time.